Yeah, no. Tastes like a raspberry ocean spray.
It's quite carbureted.
Because that's what it is.
It's carbureted.
Yeah, we're going to be burping.
Carbonated.
Well, next up on the Chop Chop, we have a cranberry. So.
Yeah, there's no chugging that stuff. Oh, God. It's like trying to chug a Dr. Pepper.
Good for you. I'm mixing all four together in this one. Yeah.
It's good. I like the raspberry better.
If you want to have a burping day or a burping party,
this is it.
This will do it.
And they're really wet burps, too.
Maybe with some food, I wouldn't catch that. Anyway, well, now my last would probably be my favorite because it's grape.
Trying to chug this is not working for me.
Do you want me to give you less?
No. God.
One of each in this little cup. Well, you know what I can do? It's pretty good. It's not like, something got really gross on us or anything. So I would make some punch with this.
Right now because those chickens talk to that.
He's a dog.
Don't. It's a good elf.
Good elf.
I think I'm going to be...
Oh, yum.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, look into that some more because this...
Well, a lot of the breweries probably don't put as much stuff.
Yeah, craft beers are probably a little research on that one. What do you got?